Being in a university setting for the first time or transitioning to upper level coursework or even just dealing with the circumstances while pursuing education can be difficult. No matter what our students may be dealing with, we're here to support them, and we want it to be easy for them to reach out if they need help. And everything we do, whether it's a program we run or a service we provide, it is to help students thrive academically and feel at home in the Gies Business community.
In the lab, we provide 3 different services. We have peer advising, peer tutoring, and peer mentoring. Peer advising is where we provide students with individual schedule or coursework help that a professional advisor may not be necessary for or be able to provide a student perspective on. Peer tutoring is where we provide students with specific classwork-related help, so anything to do with an early level college course. And then peer mentoring is where we provide students with that one-on-one personalized mentorship to make sure that if anyone's struggling or feeling behind in their path at Gies, that they have someone there to direct them and at the same time provide them with personal and professional help.
We were very intentional about bringing actual students on board and giving them a voice in how these programs were developed. They know what they need, and we want the programs to work well for them.
Freshman year, I came into the lab a lot just to sort of understand how college worked and what classes I needed to take, and then also just for snacks or like different resources like that. So I thought working at the lab would be a nice full circle moment, and also I wanted to help students the same way that they helped me.
I took the Biz 189 Coaching for Success class in my second semester. I was just generally looking for a way to give back to campus. I really loved my experience in the first few semesters, so I felt that having those one-on-one meetings, those consistent check-ins month to month, gave me an opportunity to really make an impact on other students who either needed help, wanted help, just making sure that they could succeed in their time at Gies.
One of the most impactful things you can do while you're a student at Gies is to join the Student Success team. We've got around 40 students involved in creating and running Success Lab programming. All of them are passionate about using their skills to help others.
Leslie is very open to any idea I have, and she fully supports all of them. Sometimes I feel like I'm just doing my job, but she makes me feel like I'm going above and beyond with every idea I have.
Everyone on the Student Success team is working to make Gies Business a place where everyone can thrive. If you need help, all you have to do is walk in and ask. What's great about the Undergraduate Success Lab is that it's become a place where students are building a community for themselves.
Being on this team and helping coordinate our different events, it's helped me feel a lot more connected with the Gies community, whether it's inviting students out at the atrium to come to our events or just connecting with the people on our team. I love working with every single one of them, and it's made me feel like I have a space here in Gies.
My favorite part about being a peer mentor is the opportunity to give back. Ever since my first few semesters at UIUC, I've been loving it, and a lot of it is thanks to the Gies community. And that is my main motivation for being a peer mentor. I just love helping others, and I feel like being a peer mentor gives you the opportunity to do that in a very specialized way.
I think tutoring in general is just very satisfying when students come in and they feel like they're stuck or like they just can't understand a really challenging topic. And then once you kind of give them the encouragement that they can actually do something difficult, it's really satisfying. And I love like the aha moment when students finally understand a difficult concept. I hope that students that come to the lab always feel welcomed and comfortable enough to come back with whatever questions that they have in the future.
If you're someone that comes here and feels a little lost but knows that there's resources and people out there that are going to help you get to where you want to be, I think it's really important to know that our space provides that and that you could always come to us looking for mentorship and that we will always have the willingness and desire to provide that for a student.